Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. This is me, Mercy, and today I want to share with you all how I was able to revive my old braids. I've had this hair for like a month plus now. I did a tutorial on how I was able to achieve this look. This is young wool that looks like locks. So this is what my scalp looks like right now. You see, it's very old and it's time to renew it. Basically, I wash the scalps and dry it up immediately. It doesn't take so much time drying it up. So guys, I'm ready to renew my braids. I told you guys in my last video that the method I use for this braid is a tying method. I call some gaps. Yeah, I tie from the root to the ending part. This is a tying method I use for this braid. So to renew it is still the same method I'm going to use again. Using my yarn wool, I've cut out the length I want. I won't be using so much yarn wool because I'm not doing so much on the hair. So right now I will be showing you step by step on how I was able to achieve this. It didn't take me more than 30 minutes. Just section the hair and then start picking them one after the other and then tying it back the same way I braided the hair. So this is very simple. And again, don't forget that once I'm done braiding some gaps, I use the brush, my brush, to brush it out to give it that dreadlocks look. That's exactly how I'm going to do all the whole braids. I'm trying to explain the process before we go into the main braiding. So now sit back and enjoy this video. I hope you like. You can also share your thoughts about this braid on the comment section. You can ask your questions. I'll be reading and responding to all questions. So guys, I'm done renewing my braids. I don't know if you guys have seen my previous video of how I was able to achieve this braid from scratch. If you haven't, I'll put the link on this video. You can click and go and watch it before this one, because this is a renewal of that braid. I've had this braid for like a month now, and today I decided to renew it. So I hope you enjoy this video, because look at the hair, guys. It looks so much like dread. This is with yarn wool I used to achieve this. So I would like to hear from you guys on the comment section. Tell me what you think. If you like this video, don't forget to share with your friends, drop a comment, get the video more visibility. Thank you all for staying back and watching to the end of this video. See you all next time. Bye.